If your Play Store is showing this error and can't install apps, I will show you how to fix it, but before we proceed, please leave a like. The first thing you need to do is open Settings. Now scroll to the Apps option. Scroll down and look for Play Store. When you find it, click on it. Select Storage and Clear Data. Now go back and do the same for Google Play services. The procedure differs a bit, so watch closely. If you do this and still have trouble installing apps, then the problem might be slow internet connection or insufficient storage on your device. Thanks for watching. Peace out.